Hello dear viewers, today we will know all about articles. What are articles? Where are they used? And all the do's and don'ts of articles. So here we go. Articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun. That means an article works like an adjective. For example, the boy, a bee, an apple. So here these words the, a and an are qualifying the noun. So they are used as an adjective, and all these three words are called as articles. Now let us know more about them. So what is the definition of articles? An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. So it is used before a noun, and it shows whether it refers to something special or not. Basically, there are two types of articles. First one is the definite article, and the second one is the indefinite articles. Definite articles are the one in which we are clear, exact or obvious about something, that we are talking about a specific thing. And indefinite articles are used where something is not clear, not obvious or exact. So as the word is telling you, indefinite where we are not definite, and definite where we are particular, we are definite. So that means there are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. In indefinite articles we are having a and an, whereas in definite article we are having only the. Now let us see definite and indefinite articles and the rules for when to use a, an or the. A, which means indefinite article. We use a when we are not talking about a specific object, which is one of a number of the same object, and we use it with a consonant sound. For example, she has a dog. I work in a factory. So here we are not specific about the dog or the factory. So we are using the indefinite article a. An is also an indefinite article. Let us see where is an used. Almost the same rules as a, as it is also not used with a specific object. However, it is used with vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. As we know, there are 5 vowels in English language and 21 consonants. But do you know that vowels have 15 sounds? Let us see some of the sounds of the vowels through a short song. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels of the alphabets. Tap your knees and pat your head. A is the vowel and has 2 sounds. One say its own name, A, Akron. And the other one says, apple. E is the vowel and has 2 sounds. One say its own name, eagle. The other one says, egg. I is the vowel and has 2 sounds. One say its own name, ice. The other one says, igloo. O is the vowel and has 2 sounds. One say its own name, oval. The other one says, octopus. U is a vowel and has 2 sounds. One say its own name, unicorn. The other one says, umbrella. I, E, O, U, these are the vowels of the alphabets. Tap your knees and pat your head. So dear students, you came to know about the 10 vowel sounds Now let us find out some more vowel sounds. So here in this table you can see that vowels have long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds, as long A in cake and short A in cat. Long E in keep and short E in bed. Long I in bike and short I in sit. Long O in home and short O in top. Long U in cute and short U in sun. So, despite of these 10 vowel sounds, we are having some other vowel sounds too. Other U is as we use it in put. So there is a difference, like as we said sun and as we are saying put, the sound of U here is different. Double O sound as in soon, or sound of a dog. Like the sound of top, here is the O sound, whereas in dog it is a O sound. OI sound in join. OW sound in down. So these were some of the other vowel sounds. So we have total 15 vowel sounds. Now let us see that how we use article and with these vowel sounds. If we see the usage of A is used before words beginning with the consonant sound. For example, a man, a lamb, a cat. Used before words that begin with the vowel sound. So an is used before the words that begins with the vowel sound. For example, an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. A and should agree with the first sound in the adjectives or the adverb adjective combination which stand before a noun. In this case, you have to see an adjective or an adverb which is used before a noun, and you have to use a or an depending upon the adjective and the noun. For example, 80 years old man. So here 80. So a is an vowel sound. So we are using an over here. In the second case, a golden necklace. So here we are using a before the consonant sound g. In the next noun, a pretty girl. So pretty is an adjective over here and it is the consonant sound p. So we are using a over here. Now in the next case, we use a before words, letters, numbers which sound like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. For example, a euro. Here you can see that first alphabet is E and even the second alphabet is U. Both are the vowels. But if you will see the sound over here, the sound is of U. Y-O-U-U. So it is not a vowel. So we are using a over here. A euro. In the next case, the word is university. So over here, U is giving a shorter sound of U, which is a consonant sound. So we will use A over here. In the next case, we are having one. So wa. We are not using the longer sound of O, which is O, but we are using O sound over here. That's why we are using a with it. A 1 rupee coin. Now let's see the next case. Use an before words, letters, numbers which sound like they start with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant. So in the first case you will see or. We pronounce it as or, not hor. So H is silent over here and we are considering the vowel sound over here. That's why we are using an with it. An or. So in the next case, It is a single alphabet F. Here we are not using it as F. So that's why we are using an with it, because it is giving the sound of F. So next one is 8. In 8 we are having the sound of eh, which is a vowel sound again. So we are using an with it. Now let us discuss all this point in detail and compare a and an. So in the above table you found out that we also use a before you when it sounds like the word you, and before EU because it sounds like you. Like you can see, when we say university, it sounds like you. So we say a university. Sounds like you starts with EU, like in Euro or European. So the sound over here is of U, not E. So here we are using a with it, a European city. In next case, if O sound is of W, like in one, we will use a. If O sound is of O, like in only, we will use an. You remember the shorter and the longer sounds? So with the shorter sound, we will use a one, and in the longer sound O, we will use an octopus. For example, a 1 rupee coin, an augury. We also use an before words that begin with the silent H. Silent H as in or. Here we do not use the sound of H. H is silent over here. So we say or. And we say an or. Some words that begin with M is pronounced with a vowel sound at the beginning, like M. So the sound is of E vowel over here. So we say an MLA because the sound is starting with M, E sound. An MLA, an MP. So E sound is prevalent over here. So we will use an with it. Now let us move on to the next article, the, which is the definite article. It is used with a specific object that both the person speaking and the listener know. For example, the car over there is fast. So if both the person talking knows the particular thing they are talking about, we use the in that case. So let us see the various uses of the. First of all, we use the when the thing is only of one kind in the world. For example, the moon, the environment, the internet. So in this case, we use the with the things that are only one in the world. In the next case, to refer to the only one in this particular area. For example, the police, the river, the government. So it refers to only one in that particular area. In the next case, adjectives to refer to a whole group of people. For example, the French, the elderly, the poor. So it refers to a group of people over here. So when we are referring to the group of people or group of something, we use the article. In the next case, the names of the geographical areas like the Alps, the article, the Nile. So if we are talking about the geographical areas, we will use the with it. Next, we use the with the musical instrument like the piano, the violin. Next, when we talk about the decade like the 70s, the 80s, the 19th century, when we are talking about the decades, we use the with them. Then next, with the superlative degree of comparison like the best, the strongest, the most beautiful. So with the superlative degree of comparison, we use the. In the next case, countries that have plural names, we use the with the countries that have the plural names. For example, the Philippines, the Netherlands. So as you can see, there is a S behind them. It is a plural name, so we use the with them. In the next case, countries or places where the name refers to a group of islands or states. Remember, we use it with the countries and places, but where there is a group of islands or states, not with a single country. So here we use it with like the UK, the United States, the Middle East. In the next case, we use the with the ordinal numbers. For example, the first position, the second position, the third position, likewise. So let us discuss these points in detail. Now let us discuss some more rules about the. The first time you speak of something, use a or an, but the next time you repeat that object, use the. For example, I live in a house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. Here you can see that in the first place we have used a with the house, and in the second case, as we know the house, we have used the with it. The is also used before superlative degree of comparison, as just we have talked about. Who is the most intelligent student in the class? So the most intelligent student. In the next case, the is also used before the names of unique things, like the sun rises in the east, the moon and the stars daunt the sky. The is also used before the names of the rivers, seas, trains, the names of countries, which indicate that the countries are made up of many parts. Name of nationalities, religions, communities, etc. For example, the Brahmaputra, the Arctic Ocean, the Alps, the White House, the USA. Now, let us discuss where not to use the. Do not use an article with single countries, states, countries or provinces, lakes and mountains. When we are talking about any singular country, like say India, we will not use the with it. We will only use the with the countries that are a group of islands or states, the USA, the United Nations, and with the mountains like the Himalayas, the Alps, but we will not use it with a single mountain. Or he lives in Washington near Mount Rainier. So here you can see we have not used the with Mount Rainier or Washington. So likewise, don't use article with single countries or mountains. So do not use an article when you are speaking about things in general, like I like Russian tea. She likes reading books. So do not use article when you are talking about the things in journal. There is no need to use article. In the next case, do not use an article when you are speaking about meals or places. For example, he has breakfast at home. I go to university. So there is no need to add an article over here because we are talking about the meals or the places in journal. So some of the do's that we should not avoid. Use an article with bodies of water, oceans and sea. Always use an article when you are talking about bodies of waters. For example, my country borders on the Pacific Ocean. So here we are using the with the Pacific Ocean. I saw the Red Sea. So here we are using the article with Red Sea. So you have to use the article the with the bodies of water, oceans and sea. Also use them with some words like the first, the last, the only, the next, etc. So this much for today only. Thank you for now. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.